All right, so for your puzzle piece drawings, you have to think about positive and negative space. When you're done with this, you want it to look like all of the pieces could be squished together. So to start out, you're going to start in a corner. There's already a straight line here. There's already a straight line here. The rest of your shape, you can do whatever you want because there's nothing there to dictate it. So I just drew kind of a wavy line. My next shape, if I'm going to start by going down, I'm going to leave space between the shape I already drew and the shape I'm starting to draw. And I'm going to mimic what's already there. So my eyes can follow along with this line as my pencil draws this one. Now, I can come up here and I can fill that space if I want to, but I don't have to go all the way to the top. Then I can come down here. There's nothing here to dictate what I'm doing, so I can draw whatever I want. Okay? Then you keep going. Maybe this time I'll come up here. I'm going to leave some space between the shapes that I already have, and I'm going to mimic what's already there. And then when I get to the top, there's already a straight line here, so this has to be a straight line. Continuing. Going to keep going, leaving space between the shape that's already there and the one that I'm drawing, but notice they're the same line. Same type of line, just a little bit of space in between. Now, your shapes don't all have to be wavy. They can have straight edges, they can have corners, they don't all have to loop around at the end. But you're going to keep going and you're going to attempt to fill the space that you have with these organic shapes. So when you're done, it should look like you could squish it and it would all fit together like a puzzle piece, like each piece would fit inside the one that's next to it. Now, you don't want your pieces to be too small and you don't want your pieces to be too big. Each piece has to be painted individually and you have to fit 2 colors into each piece. So you don't want to have itty bitty teeny tiny pieces, and you also don't want to have gigantic pieces. And that's how you do your puzzle piece drawing.